Hey, sweetheart. I just wanted to let you know that, I'm sorry for being such a toxic boyfriend. I know throughout the years that you've been putting up with me and stuff like that, and I really appreciate it, and I really don't know how you put up with me. But after doing a little bit of self-reflecting, I realized that I'm very toxic, and I just wanted to apologize. And here on out, I'm gonna change for you, okay? And I know that throughout the years I've been separating you from your family, and I'm sorry. And I had good reason to. It's just that I knew that your parents wouldn't approve of me. I knew that your family wouldn't approve of me. And I was afraid of losing you, and I just didn't want to lose you. And I felt like the best way to keep you was to separate you from your family. I didn't want anyone else to influence what we have together. So I did what I had to do, because that's what I believed that was right for us. I just wanted you, and I didn't want anyone getting away with that. So I just wanted to tell you I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that I didn't allow you to have friends or see your friends. It's just I knew that they were just gonna say things about me, like how you can do better, or I'm not the right guy for you, or you can find someone more handsome. And I knew they were just gonna say that, and I knew that they would never accept us. And I was afraid to lose you to another guy, or stuff like that. So I isolated you from your friends and from the world. And I did that because I wanted all your time to be spent with me. And I figured that if all your time was just spent with me, that I would be the only one. I would be the only choice. And you would never leave. But I'm just afraid of you leaving. That's why I did what I did. I love you so much, and I can't live without you. And maybe what I did wasn't right, but I did it for us. I did it for me and you. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna change. I'm not gonna be toxic anymore. I'm gonna change for you. I'm gonna change for us. I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. I love you. I do. And I would do anything for you. Anything whatsoever. Because you're my everything. No, sure, sweetie, you can ask me anything, okay? Sweetheart. No, you can't leave. You know how hard it was to kidnap you, build this cage, keep you secret. It was very, very, very hard, and I'm not gonna just let you leave, okay? You know I love you very, very much, right? I do, I love you so much. You know, it's only been a month that you have been here, trapped in my basement. But trust me, over time, you will love me. I'll make sure of it. I'll do everything I can for you to love me. 'Cause you're my baby, and I'll always take care of you. You know that, right? So just stay here. You're gonna stay here until you love me. You understand, right? Yes, you do. Hey, don't call me crazy. You know, you know how much I hate it when you call me crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm just crazy in love with you, that's all. No, sweetie, I'm just so madly in love with you. I'm not crazy at all, I can be a little bit much because I just love you too much. No, sweetie. If anything, you should be crazy in love with me. We should be madly crazy in love together. Imagine how fun that would be, wouldn't it? Me and you just madly in love. It's all in the matter of time. It's all in the matter of time that you'll love me. You will. You will love me so much. And now I'm never, ever, ever gonna let you go. Oh, don't be scared. You'll be happy. You'll be happy with me. Don't worry, I'll take good care of you, okay, princess? You'll be very happy. I know you're scared right now, but you'll see how much I love you, and you'll understand that you love me too. You do love me, you just don't know it yet. Don't worry, sweetie. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't do this. There's so many things that we're gonna do together, sweetie. So many activities that we're gonna do while you're here in this basement, trapped in that cage. Yeah? We can hold hands. We can cuddle. We can watch movies. We can play board games. So many wonderful things that we can do with each other. Not only that, I can buy you anything you want. All you gotta do is just ask and I'll get it for you. I'll go out, I'll buy it for you, and I'll come back. We'll be so happy together. You love me, and I love you, because you're my everything. Oh, sweetie, you'll never see your family again. I can't let you see your family. I hope you understand. You can't see them. You're gonna stay here with me. You'll be happy here. This is where you belong. You belong here. You don't have a family no more. I'm your family now, okay? Yeah. No, don't worry. You're gonna stay here for the rest of your life with me. Do you understand? Good. Good, I'm glad you understand. Oh, baby. I know you want to be out of this cage, but can't do of that. I gotta keep you in here until I can trust you. It'll take time for me to trust you. And I hope you understand. Don't worry, baby. Once I see that you love me like I love you, maybe I can let you leave this cage. Maybe you can have this whole basement to yourself. You'll have more freedom. But I gotta understand that you love me as much as I love you. I love you so much, my perfect little angel. No, sweetie, it's okay. Come cuddle with me. Come cuddle with me right now. Good. Everything's gonna be okay, okay?